Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Blue Lagoon mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 ounces of your favorite white rum. For that signature blue hue, grab 1 ounce of blue curaçao. Don't forget a ½ ounce of simple syrup and some club soda or lemon-lime soda to finish it off. These simple components come together for a truly refreshing drink. Now let's get to the heart of the mojito. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle about 10 fresh mint leaves with 2 lime wedges. The goal is to release the oils and juice, not to shred the mint. Next, add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Then, pour in 2 ounces of white rum and 1 ounce of blue curaçao. This combination creates the base of our vibrant blue cocktail. With your base mixed, it's time for the chill factor. Fill your glass completely to the brim with crushed ice. This not only cools your drink but also helps dilute it perfectly as you sip. Then, slowly top the mixture with about 4 ounces of club soda. If you prefer a sweeter profile, lemon-lime soda works wonderfully too. Stir gently to combine all the flavors without losing the fizz. The final touch is all about presentation and enjoyment. Garnish your beautiful Blue Lagoon mojito with a fresh lime wedge on the rim. For an aromatic flourish, tuck in a vibrant sprig of mint. If you're feeling extra festive, a maraschino cherry adds a delightful pop of red against the blue. Serve your refreshing creation immediately and savor every sip of this delightful, colorful drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.